Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at moooon. Now this is a dividend paying stock and I'm looking to add it to my portfolio while I'm selling put options in hopes that I'll just make cash, but if I get put the stock, that's fine too because it pays good dividend. So what I'm going to do is I want to sell a $60 put today and try to find the best date to do that. So actually this is not a bad $3. Only get 40 cents for a week. That's not real good. Actually, that's better. I think it's earnings week. That's probably why it's a little bit different there. And so I think November 5th is the day we're going with. Spread's a little wider here than the monthly. You can see 610 to 360. Here, there's only a 20-cent spread. But I'm not planning on buying this back, probably. I think this is going to execute and the stock's going to go higher, especially after earnings. So let's take a look at what credit we can get. Let's try to get max credit, 340. And you see I have one tracking share for all the options I have. We'll review that in a minute. Here we go. So break even's at 56.60, pretty good price. Getting the credit. And okay, so I had to roll all the way down to 310 to get filled. Okay, fine. Still not a bad break even. Let's take a look at my position. Okay, so here's my position. I have one share long just for tracking to see the price. I've got some various puts at various expirations across the board because I'm trying to leverage into this stock, leg in, and try to make some cash while I'm at it, as well as reduce my cost basis. You can see they're all doing pretty well. I think some of these are going to expire worthless, but then I might get put in a few others. So we'll see how that works out. Anyway, guys, be sure you guys subscribe, see how this turns out, and do take a look at my new strategy that I'm doing for these dividend-paying stocks in this account. It's pretty interesting selling options on dividend-paying stocks to just increase the return and the interest you get paid. All right, guys, be sure you guys subscribe, and thanks for watching.